How can we actually get a Gemini account for an entire year, that is, for a full 12 months completely for free, without having to pay anything at all? And also, if you take a closer look right here, you'll notice that I can use it for 1 month, that is, for 30 days, completely free of charge, at absolutely zero cost to me. In fact, I want to clarify that I will explain the exact steps and the detailed process for how to get this free month of access at the very end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch until the conclusion to find out exactly how you can claim this offer for yourself. First, let's see, step by step, how we can get a Gemini account for 12 months absolutely free using this method I'm going to tell you about. You'll need to do a few things to get started, and while it might seem a bit annoying or even slightly inconvenient at first, it's definitely worth the effort in the end. For those of you who are interested in getting a free Gemini account, the very first thing you need to do is to go to this website. Just open your browser, type in the web address, and make sure you're on the correct page before proceeding. Once you're there, you'll be able to follow the next steps to continue the process. It's a website that has just recently been launched, and as a result, it isn't very crowded at the moment. If you take a closer look, you might notice that it actually gives out some free promotional codes right here on the site, and these codes are valid for a full 12 months, which is quite generous. Once we obtain this code, we are able to get a completely free account that will last for 12 months, giving us access to all the features and benefits during that entire period. Click on the Get Code option. Once you click this, you'll see there's a code here, okay? If you click on the option to show the full code, it gives us a set of tasks, just a few things that we need to do. We have to complete these tasks for the code to be revealed to us. Now, if you look closely at the screen, you will notice that it asks if you want the code to be shown. You simply click on the option, and then it immediately redirects us to another page. This new page is where you can view the code in detail, just as you requested. I'll definitely pin the website link for you in the first comment. Once you have entered the platform, you will see a message that instructs you to complete at least 2 of the offers that are provided to you. This step is necessary in order for you to actually receive the code you are looking for. Please make sure to carefully follow the instructions for each offer so that your participation is properly recorded and you can successfully obtain your code. Bring it up! For instance, the first option tells you to go and download this game. Well, what actually happens is that it directs you straight to the Google Play Store, and you are required to install this particular game on your device. Once you have successfully installed the game, the system then suggests that you should play at least 2 of those available games. For these 2 games that you choose to play, you are expected to spend a minimum of 2 minutes on each one. This means you need to dedicate at least 2 minutes of your time to each of the 2 selected games in order to fulfill the requirements. When you complete these tasks, you've successfully finished one offer. You move on to the second offer. This offer also says to go download this application and install 2 games within it. And by doing this, your offer will be completed and a code will be given to you. Once you've received the code, you click on the Get Offer option. After clicking this option, you wait patiently for this page to fully load for you. Then you use this option. Well, here you enter your unique code and click this option. And by doing this, you can use your subscription for 12 months for free. To use this 1 month for free, the only thing you need to do is simply log into your account with a United States IP address. With a United States IP address, you should thoroughly test it for everyone and for most IP addresses, because the majority of IP addresses are granted a Gemini account for 1 month completely free of charge. After you have received your account, you can fully enjoy your subscription benefits and features. Please make sure to take advantage of all the available features and explore everything that your subscription has to offer during this complimentary period. If you like this style of video, I'd appreciate you if you like our video and also follow our channel.